I am not a fan of a tangled mess of cords, especially when I'm traveling. I have to like pack up all sorts of chargers to bring with me. So I really love these like 3-in-1 type of chargers for your watch, your phone, and your headphones. So let's check this one out. Oh, look, it's so small. It's actually way smaller than I expected it to be. Look how tiny this is. I'd say like an inch or so thick, really quite compact. And then it comes with a charging block. Oh, that's so nice. Usually these aren't included in the products these days. So it has a USB-C here, the actual charging block, and then the cord here, so USB-C to USB-C. So to use it, you're just going to plug the device in, and it doesn't have its own battery, so it does need to be plugged in when you're using it, but it's not too hard. And then you'll just pop out the watch charger and the phone, and then the headphones go here, the watch here, and then the phone piece right here. So I just plugged this in, so let's put it to the test. So take my watch off and place it on the charger here. It's charging, and there's a little light here on the front. It might be pretty small for you to see, but it lights up for the watch icon when you place it on the charger, and I can see my watch is charging here. The watch piece is a 2.5 watt charger, and then I've got my headphones. I'll swivel this here and I'll place this piece on the back. My headphones, I just heard the little ding that it does when it's charging. The light indicates here on the front, and this is a 3-watt charger. And then finally the phone here, I'm gonna place it there on the side. You can see here it's charging, and then you see the bottom, and the phone is a 15-watt charging capacity there as well. So everything can be charged up at once, all going great. It's really quite compact. You can see that on your nightstand, it's just gonna be like a tiny little thing, one cable, frees up all that cord mess, super easy to pack, right? One device, one cable for you to put together in a bag and take on your travels. So this is a pretty nice, easy way to charge all your devices at once, and I'd suggest you check it out.